Welcome back to my channel. My name is Chelsea, your host. Today, we are going to the beach. We're gonna go to Clearwater. I'm back in Florida, leaving tomorrow. We just got some gas at Wawa. Bye, Wawa. So we actually went to Dunkin', got some coffee. That looks actually pretty good. I got some donuts. You're like the time bomb ticking away. We're going to Treasure Island.
Gotta find that treasure.
On a beautiful sunny day in sunny Florida. So we just got on I-4. I hate I-4. This is where I got on my accent. Not right here, but somewhere around here.
Let's not do it anymore.
Watch the road and be careful too, because the right lanes always end. We're in Tampa now. Tampa area. Look how fast these cars go. They just don't care. Like, look. I'm getting it on film.
Whoa.
Dad, talk like you're from France.
I don't know how to talk like that. You just did. The beautiful people. It depends on what country I come from.
I don't think it's France, to be honest.
I'm from France. Just to see how, just to see how everybody else lives.
See, St. Pete is so pretty. I love St. Pete. You know?
Nice, isn't it?
Yeah. It gives off that beachy vibe too. Tyrone Boulevard. What do you think, Bren?
It's a little bit of a Tyrone.
Wow. I want to see a dolphin though. Yeah, I saw a dolphin one time right here. I'm not even kidding. Yeah. Oh, so pretty. This is what makes me want to stay in Florida even more. It's so upsetting. Wow. It's just so angelic, Dad. And look at that water. Treasure Island, welcome. Hey. Oh, that's my dad. Like, I know, I was just gonna say. Jeez.
Look at that one right there.
Where, here? Oh, shoot, that's nice. We just got here, parked the car. Now we're gonna head over. Literally obsessed. Look at this. This is such a nice little walkway. We just got here. We had to move our car, right, Dad and Brian?
Yes.
Now we're gonna find some place to lay down, get some tan, because why not? Here's the beach. The waves are gonna take them. I just found this shell. We're just relaxing now, right, Brian? I looked over, I saw it. The water from your beard drip.
No.
Yeah, I did. I saw it. I'm getting burnt. Oof. That's fine with me.
I finally feel it a little on my back.
I know. My body's not tingling, but it itches here and there. Oh, look. That looks like a snake hole right here.
Too bright.
Jeez. Right there.
You did it?
No, I didn't do it. It was there.
Get in the water and then sit out. Then you really get burnt.
Yeah, I know. Well, also, eventually I want to go over to Publix. And then I want to get like a nice tea. Because I got a tea last time when we came here. It was a peace tea. It was great. We could walk around. You guys can see like the coolness in the boardwalk. It's really nice. Well, the dog. If you sleep with a dog, the dog can get behavioral issues, which he did.
No.
Am I wrong? Oh, it looks like... Bren, look.
Yeah, look at that, Chelsea. My nose.
What position is that, Brian?
You love this. You going back in? Is that one?
Oh my God, my hair.
You get as much as you want to eat?
What? No?
No, not most. No, there was one.
Golden Corral?
No. Yeah, I think it was
Chipotle.
Chipotle.
We're going back to the car. Then we're gonna walk on the boardwalk for a minute. So Dad, do I look burnt?
Yes.
You sure?
Somewhat.
Maybe it's because I have makeup on. It doesn't really burn me, but
It probably doesn't.
I'm just thirsty.
Way
So
downtown LA.
we're just taking a nice stroll, right, Dad and Brennan?
Yes.
We're trying to go
Is that your drink,
to
Dad?
what's it called? Publix. I want to get a tea. Finally.
Poulet.
He calls it poulet. No, you said it so wrong.
If you're
but
French. If you're French.
Poulet. Poulet. You think that looks good?
I thought so.
Actually, yeah. Look what we got, guys. We got drinks, some foods,
Florida.
some
Because it leaves
drinks. It
warm
looks
all
like
the time.
tea, and then
I don't know what
he's
the hell he's
eating
doing.
that. I got that too, though.
New York.
You're freezing?
No, when you go to New York City, in New York, anywhere in New York, it's still cold. You might as well just whip them right out then.
Dad, what's up with your language? This is good.
Real good.
Yeah, this is like the best ice cream sandwich I've ever had. Isn't it good, Brim?
Mm-hmm.
Say hi.
Work, everyone just flew off.
I'm wearing my new hat now, Treasure Island. And I'm eating some fruits, and I got my tea. Total beach vibes, like.
I used to crave sweet stuff too. Special guest later. Guess who it is?
We have a special guest coming later with us.
Tell you. Jimmy, continue.
So, I forgot to do a fit check. I was wearing a top earlier. That was from Paxson. Now, I'm wearing this bikini top, which is from Shein. These are from Garage. Brand? Oh, wait.
Same stuff.
All Gucci, apparently. And then Dad's is Victoria's Secret. Dad, where'd you get your outfit from?
Victoria's Secret.
I told you, Brennan. Mom said that you said that Brennan said that she said.
That she wants to get back together with me.
Oh my gosh, that's so pretty though. Like literally you see the beams coming
You can
through.
see the sun,
You see
yeah.
it. You see it more on my phone though. Where's the double rainbow? Oh, I see
part.
it. Right there.
I think
Wow.
Oh, wow. You know
Wow.
what that rainbow means?
That it won't ever rain again.
No, it's God's promise. It's God's promise that He will never flood the earth again.
Oh well, it's okay.
I
Same
don't know.
difference.
I've been seeing floods.
This is the view. Pretty. Just got changed. So that's a new fit check. Alright, so we just got to Disney Springs. Now we're parking. See, even the gas station near Disney Springs is still cheaper than New York. Just got here. Say hi, Jenna.
Hey.
I'm making a vlog.
What's
I made a vlog
up?
today. Hey.
Hey.
Hey. We got some chicken guy. Right, Brennan? Chicken guy. Got mint, but, you know. Alright. This is the last moments with Jenna. My bestie. Not the last. We'll see each other soon. Bye.
Yes, we will.